Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a new version of Firefox that came out to correct a couple of bugs. If you, of course, move to version 150, you might have had, it's possible, a couple of problems. It depends, really. It's very hardware induced, so it's like most people probably never had any issues. So upper hamburger menu, go down to Help and About Firefox. Brings you to 150.0.1. There's no security fixes in here, so nothing important in terms of security. Fixes two bugs. One is it fixes a bug where on certain Intel CPUs, the browser would crash regularly. So if you had crashes, that might fix the problem. And the other one is on certain hardware, when you had these devices that you need to flash, for example, a new firmware, things like that, through the browser, that would also fail when this happened with this new version. So they fixed these two bugs. For the rest, like I said, there is absolutely no security fixes in here. And you can just ignore it. Well, anyways, if you use Firefox every day, it will anyways update itself automatically. So this is two little fixes for Firefox update to fix bugs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.